It's rainy morning. It's 6:29, but ano na siya? Light landag na. Or whereas it's winter, it's still dark. It's 6:29 in the morning here. But now it's summer. It's getting lighter and lighter. Good morning, Kenneth.
Good morning. Where are we going?
I don't know where we're going.
Going to work.